Hi, this is Mark with Kingdom Roofing. We're out at a job in the island of Venice. This particular job is a low slope roof system, and I'm here with Chad. He's our project manager. Whenever we contract with a person to do their job, Chad comes out and he'll manage the project for you. You don't have to do a thing. So let's go ahead up and take a look at the roof we're going to put on here. Alrighty, so we're up on top of the roof here on this low slope roof. A lot of customers like to find out what do you do when you have almost a completely flat roof, and they also want to know how you can insulate the roof so that it doesn't get hot in the house. So in this particular case, we're going to use a rubber roof. It's a TPO roof, and I'm going to have Chad, he's our project manager, kind of give you a little overview of how we install the roof. Go ahead, Chad.
Well, right here we have a 1/2 inch ISO board here, dense deck. We put a wood nailer around the perimeter so we have a solid substrate to nail to for our drip edge. Here is the TPO product we have here. Basically on this particular system we're going to be gluing it down. It's going to be a fully adhered system. The dense deck board is adhered with the glue as well as the TPO. So this is going to go down. Then we'll have the drip kit on top with a cover tape, and on the seams it'll be welded with thermoplastic adhesion, and pretty straightforward. It'll be fully welded all together, fully adhered, fully welded system. Over here you have the old mod, pretty typical for a low slope roof. You can see that we have some rotten fascia board that will be fixed when we tear it all off down to the solid substrate. We'll re-nail the decking up to the code and put this recovery board down here, as well as the wood nailer around the perimeter. And you can see up here, we have the boots and vents, as well as a chimney. We'll run the material up the chimney here, terminate it with a turn bar and a counter flashing, and those materials will also run up the lead boot here, will be removed, and the TPO flashing will be moved all the way up to the top here. So essentially you have two options for the installation of the TPO. We can screw it down as well as the recovery board, or glue it as a fully adhered system.
Alrighty, so that is the basics of a TPO rubber roof on a low slope roof system. If you'd like to get more information on one of these types of roofs, reach out to us at kingdomroofinginc.com. And also to let you know, we just opened up our new window and door division. So if you'd like to get a quote on windows and doors, as well as your roof, contact us and we'd be glad to give you a quote. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the next job.